Hello folks, welcome to Geeky Stuffs channel. Today I am going to teach you how to increase like in Instagram. The only prerequisite is your profile should be public. Come, let's get into it. I'm going to Instagram. Okay, I have recently uploaded a pic over here. Yeah, this one. This just have a 16 likes over here. Okay, now we'll go to our browser. In my case, it's Chrome. Okay, just type ighoot.com. Okay, here you can do by two steps. Okay, first one, you can download a app, and from app you can just log in and you can just get likes, or else the second case is just going through a website. That's it. See, I'm going through a second case. Just I'm logging with Instagram. Yeah, I've since I've already done this. Okay, I'll store it in. You just click login over here. Yes, I just login, then select use auto like over here. Okay, you can get likes by two methods. One, you can directly click photos and get likes, or if you want some other profile, right, then just click on custom id slash url, that id name slash url, that is, go to that photo from web. You need to do that. Okay, fine, and copy that link over there and just paste it here. Just click get likes. Yeah, it's a background process actually from server side, right? It's just starting. We'll see. You can keep getting likes on a single photo. Okay, once it's done, right, 15 minutes you need to wait for the next submit. Okay, that's completed. Let's see whether we got likes or not. Yeah, yes, chance around. I got 34. That's, I hope you guys got it right. Yeah, thank you folks. Please like and subscribe. Okay, do share it. For more, right, you can contact me. Thank you.